Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the file system error code -214-721-9196 when attempting to open up the Windows Photo app on your Windows 11 computer. Hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon and search for PowerShell. Best match will come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy it and just highlight over and right click and copy, or just do Control C on your keyboard. And then go up the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Go ahead and hit Enter on your keyboard to run it. And once you have a blinking cursor, you can close out of here and go ahead and restart your computer. And now that we're back in here, you want to go open up the search menu again, type in Store. Best match will come back with Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. You want to type in Microsoft Photos. Best match will come back with Microsoft Photos. Go ahead and open that up and select the free button. And then once that's done, it should open up automatically. And if not, you can always just close out of here and just open it up through the search menu. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.